Yeah. Right. So good morning, students. Some instructions to be given to you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. You are going to observe a lesson of the subject EVS and of the third standard. I will be dividing you all into 3 groups. Roll numbers 1 to 10 will be called as group A, and they will be called as flowers. Because we are doing a subject in EVS, you will be called as the group flowers. We talk about the surroundings. The group B will be all the students from roll numbers 11 to 20. Okay. And you will be called as trees. And group number 3 is group number C. You will be called as plants. Okay. And if at all we have a group number 4, you will be called as after 30, that is 31 to 40, and the remaining students, you will be called as birds. So we have 4 groups. We will be dividing the class into 4 groups. And when I ask a question, whenever you all see certain videos or pictures and I ask you all questions, I will ask you all, okay, group number 1 or the group number A, that is the flowers. You all have to identify and answer. Group number B, the trees have to answer. Group number C, the plants have to answer. And group number 4, that is D, the birds have to answer. All right. So in this way, you are divided in a class. Okay. You are divided in this for this class. Now, here on the screen, you can see a picture. All of y'all, now I'm not asking any specific person. What is this picture which y'all can see over here? Can anybody answer this?
House.
It is
House
a picture
is
of
there.
a house.
It is a picture of a house. So in our surrounding, we see birds, trees, and we also see houses. Why do we think we need houses or shelters? Why do we need it? Can you
To
tell me?
live, to protect
To live.
ourselves
To
from
live in it.
rain.
One by
summer.
one. Okay, Megha, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am. To
Yeah.
protect ourselves from rain,
Yes. So we need to
winter,
protect
summer.
ourselves from rain, wind. What else? To protect ourselves from Shabana, madam? Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Winter season and rainy season.
Yes. So we need a house to protect us from rain, to protect us from animals, to protect us from thieves, and it also protects us from heat and dust. And that is why each and every person needs a house or a shelter. Now, what can you see over here?
There are many animals.
Yeah.
Animals.
Yeah. Do you think animals also need a shelter or a house?
Yes.
Yes,
They live in
some
jungles. They
animals
have their
need.
own house.
One by one. Yes,
They live in a jungle.
they live in the jungle. All right.
Yes, some
Their,
animals need.
their own house is there.
Some of them have their own houses. But why do they need a house? Why do they need a shelter?
To
They
protect
also need
themselves
to hide.
and their young ones.
Yes, very good. To
To
protect their
protect
young
themselves
ones.
from wild animals.
Yes.
To protect themselves from
Yes.
their wild animals.
Yes. So animals also need a house, a shelter to protect their young ones, to protect themselves from rain, heat, and so on. All right. So today we are going to look at a very interesting topic, and that is animal shelters, right? Or animal houses. But first of all, let us first see what is the meaning of a shelter or a house, a safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, and so on. So even the animals need to protect themselves. Now, the group, I will be showing you a video over here. Group A, roll numbers 1 to 10. Observe this video and you have to answer certain questions. Okay.
African weaver birds build some of the most intricately designed and well-made nests of all birds. A group of graduate students at Witwatersrand University in Johannesburg was given 2 weeks to try to make a nest just bird's nest or babies. Usually the process starts.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Small birds. At the end of thin branches to make it harder for tree climbing snakes to eat their eggs or babies.
Why is this going every time?
African Johannesburg branches to make it harder for tree last year's nest from a branch. It's got one side loose, now for the other side. Next, he begins collecting building materials by tearing off thin strips of grass, which he weaves to make a strong, well-anchored nest. As they work, females come and check out the quality of their nests. Over the next several days, the male collects grass finally, a completed nest.
Okay. So what did you all see in this video? Roll numbers
saw a
1 to
bird.
10 only. The flowers
Bird's
are going
nest.
to answer. Yeah. Tell me.
We saw a bird
Yeah.
building a
The
nest.
nest in which the bird lays eggs and hatches her young.
Okay. So you all have seen. And what was the material the bird used to build its nest?
She's using grass blade, leaves.
Yes. Okay. So y'all have seen a bird building its nest. Of course, it takes a lot of time. It has used grass, and they also use so many other materials. Different birds use different materials. They use twigs, they use dead leaves, they use grass clippings, they use strings, human hair also, feather, mud, pebbles, spider web silk, straws, shredded paper, broom bristles, and even cotton balls. So y'all can see that the bird uses all these things to build its nest. What parts of the body does the bird use to build its nest?
Beak. It's
She
beak.
uses her beak and feet.
Yeah. So it uses the beak and its claws to build the nest. And the third question is, why is the nest useful? Why should it at all build the nest?
To lay her egg.
To lay
Yes.
her egg and protect her young ones.
Very good. So to protect its eggs, to lay eggs and its young ones. So you can see that the bird, even though it is so small, it is very strong from inside and it uses whatever it has, the bees and the claws, to build its shelter, that is the nest. Okay, we go on to the next one. Over here, you can see different types of nests. And we can see here there is a nest where a crow is sitting and the cat is waiting to eat its young ones, but it will not be able to eat because the crow is there and it will protect its young ones, and it is at a height. Here you can see a weaver bird's nest. You can also see a tailor bird's nest. It joins or it weaves, it stitches two leaves together and it makes a nest over here. And here there is another nest, which is the robin bird's nest. Robin is a very small little bird, and you can see it has a small round nest. And likewise, we have many other different types of nest. Anyway, we all just want to know that a bird builds its own nest. That was what was tried over here to tell you all. Now here next, the group B, the trees, you all have to observe this and tell me what you can see over here. I've already written it. Okay. Now, what did we see in this particular video? Yes?
Honeybees.
Yeah, you all saw the bees and how they are building a bee
Honeybees.
hive. Yeah. All right. So here again, we have a picture of a beehive, and it is made up of bees wax. This wax comes out from the body or the abdomen of the bee. It is actually honey also, and it mixes, this wax comes out from the bee's body and it mixes it with the honey and it forms a shelter for its own self. So here you can see that where was the beehive situated, located? Can you tell me? Group number B?
On the tree.
Yeah, so they also build it in the particular video. You could see that it was, where was it located?
On the tree.
It was on the tree, it was on the rooftop. It is also there at very high places. They usually choose high places to build their shelters so that they are protected from unwanted organisms. All right. So again, the bee makes its own shelter. Let us see some other video now. All right. Group number C, you'll just see what you will be watching. Then tell me what it is. Okay. So what did you all watch on this video? Group number 3.
Black ants.
Yeah, you watched black ants. What were they doing?
They were
Building.
making shelter
They were
for
making
themselves.
holes.
They were making a hole. They were carrying the mud, right? And they were building their own home, which is called as the ant hill, right? So they are made up of, the ant hill is actually the home or the shelter of the ants, and they only make it, it is made up of from sand, dirt, clay and twigs. You won't find big huge stones or gravels. It is very heavy for them to carry, but they use small twigs, all right, so that it is fortified, it becomes strong. So ant also, such a small creature, such a small organism, also builds its own house, right? We see the next one, the 4th group, the birds. Now you all see what you all can see over here.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joy. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, pick, 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 down through the chimney with lots of dear paws, out jumps good old Santa. All for the little ones' Christmas joy. Who wouldn't go? Up, up, down through the chimney.
Yes. Now the 4th group, you all answer the question. What was the creature you watched in this video?
A mouse.
It is a mouse. What was the mouse doing?
He's making his own house.
It's making its own house. So it is actually digging its own house. He is trying to remove the mud with his mouth, with his feet. He's digging and digging.
Body.
Yeah, the entire body, even though it is so small, yet it has managed to make such a big hole for himself. And that is his house. Okay. So a rat shelter is also called as a hole, or it is also known as a burrow. They also build houses, or they build their holes in fields. They dig, and even in areas where people live, in the walls or in the floors, especially the mud houses, they cannot make holes in the cement built houses, okay, because it is very difficult for them to dig a hole over there. So mud houses, they try to make a hole, okay, over there. Now, what did you all think? What do you all think? All these, what is the picture which you see over here? This is of a bee. This is of a bird.
Honeybee.
Yeah. These are the ants, and this is the mouse. All right. So all these animals, what do? They build their own houses. So they build their own shelters. But do you think all other animals also, do they build their own shelters?
No, not
No.
the cow,
Yeah. Can you
not
name?
dog.
Yeah. Can you name some animals?
Cow,
Cat.
dog,
Cat. Dog. Cat.
Yes. Very good.
Buffalo.
So, yeah. So here you can see, what can you see over here now? You can see a cow.
cow shed,
Cow shelter.
The horse
Kennel.
also, it stays
Stable.
in a stable.
Hen.
Dog,
Coop.
it stays in a kennel, and the hen, it stays in a coop. Have you ever seen a cow building a house for its own self?
No.
No.
Oh,
Have you
the house
seen a
for them.
horse
No.
going and building for something for his own self? No.
No.
Or a dog
No, no.
also, not even a cat. So all these animals which people keep for themselves as domestic animals, they will never build anything for themselves. In fact, the people who keep them, they will build shelters for them. All right. So these animals are the shelters for the domestic animals. They will never build anything for themselves. All right, because they are always helping us. Apart from this, there are some other animals. Can you think of animals who do not build their own houses?
Wild animal like tiger,
Yes,
rabbit.
a rabbit builds its own burrow. Rabbit also sometimes
Yes.
the person who keeps him
Tiger.
will make
Ma'am,
a
snake.
house for him.
In the wild animals, big wild
Yes.
animals.
The wild animals, they will not build anything for themselves. But you will see over here now in this video. What will you see over here? See now. Where can you see this animal?
Tiger.
What is this animal?
Tiger.
It is
Yeah.
a tiger.
Yeah.
Den.
Yeah. So it is arriving from its den. So you can see how it is behaving very royally, very lazily, and it will just walk around.
आवाज नहीं ध्रुव ये अलार्म कॉल नहीं आगे जा रही है सर वो दिख रही ना ऊपर.
Okay. So these animals, tigers, leopards, hyenas, their shelters are called as a den. They live in caves, and you could see that there was a cave, isn't it? In the mountains, in the wildlife, you have caves, and that is where they stay. There are some bats also. They will live in again caves or in mountains or old deserted buildings, and the bats, they will hang over there. And some doves, some pigeons, they would like to live in holes or gaps in the walls. They also will not make a nest or something like that. They will not work very hard. Okay, so these animals, they find ready shelters. They will just look out for ready shelters. Nobody makes anything for them, but they are finding ready shelters in the surroundings. Right, all of you? Yes. So whatever is there available, they will try and make use of that. All right. Now we have seen all these animal shelters. What is the meaning of a shelter? And we have seen that some animals build their own shelters. Some animals look out for shelters in their surroundings, and we build shelters for the animals that we keep, right? Now just look at this. I want you all to answer. Yeah, you can see over here, some animals build their own shelters. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings, and we build shelters for the animals we keep. Okay, so this is my blackboard over here, and I have written the definition of shelter, and I have just written down the points that we have seen. Now I want you to answer certain questions. Group number 1, you'll first see what pictures I'm showing you all. So group number A, the flowers. Check out which, you all have to find out which is the odd one out over here. Can anybody tell me what pictures are seen over here? The first picture is of a,
Oddness.
the first picture where the arrow is pointing,
Odd one.
it is of a cow
The
shed.
cow. The cows
Then
are in the shed.
The stable is there.
The horse,
Horse.
then the kennel of a dog,
Yeah. And the
and
fourth
there is a
picture is,
bird nest.
yeah, which is the odd one out over here?
The bird
Three
nest.
pictures are
Bird
similar.
nest.
Yeah, three pictures are similar and the bird is different. Why is the bird different over here?
Because that is the house
Because-
which the bird builds for itself, and the other three we have made for the domestic animals. The people have made it.
Very good. Very good. So the odd
Thank you.
picture is over here, that of the bird, because she is the one who builds her own shelter. Now the next group. Okay. You can see pictures over here. Group B, please answer. The trees. The first picture is of a, please answer. It is of the honeybee, the beehive. The second picture is
Honeybee.
the second
Ant
picture, ant hills.
Ant hill.
The third picture is of the
Stable.
stable.
Stable will be odd. Stable.
And the fourth picture is of a mouse,
Mouse.
of a rat. Which is the odd picture over here? Think and tell me.
Horse. Table.
The stable is the odd
Stable, ma'am.
picture. Why?
It's a man-made.
Because
Because the we have built and the others it's built by
yes. So the bee builds its own shelter. The ant builds its own shelter, the anthill. The mouse digs his own shelter. But the horse, he will never build anything for his own self. The people who own the horse will make a house for him, which is called as the stable. Okay, we go on to the next one. The third group, please answer. What can you see over here? These are,
Bats.
yes, this is a
Pigeons.
pigeons. This is a
Tiger.
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 And this is a
Beehive.
beehive. Which is the odd one out over here? Three pictures are similar. And the last one, yes, or the fourth one, whichever. Which one is the different picture over here? Think and tell me.
beehives.
The beehives. Very good. Why?
Beehive.
Why?
Because they build their
They-
own shelter.
Yeah. So over here, the tiger stays in a den. It has searched for its own shelter, a ready-made shelter. The pigeon, she has searched a hole in the wall and it is a ready-made shelter for her. And the bat, it is hiding, or it is, using a old cave or a tree, and it hides over there. It lives over there. Whereas the beehive is made by is a shelter made very, where the bees have worked very hard, and it is made by its own. So this is the odd one out over here. Very good. Now, today what we have learned is that animals also need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain, and to protect their young ones. Okay. We have seen some animals build their own shelters. Which are these animals which build their own shelters?
Rat.
Bees.
The
Ants,
bees.
rats,
sparrows.
and bees.
Yeah. So the bees, the rats, the ants, and the birds, they build their own shelters. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. Which are these animals?
Dog,
Bat,
cow, the
tiger.
wild animals.
bat,
The
dog,
wild
bat,
animals.
pigeon.
Yes.
Yeah,
the
a bat, a
bats.
pigeon, and wild animals.
Yes. So lions, tigers, doves, and bats. You all have learned this today. And we build shelters for the animals we keep. Which animals?
Cat and dog.
Cat and dog.
Cat. Cows.
Cats and dogs.
So cows, horses, hens, dogs, cats, goat, sheep, we all keep a house for them. We make it. All right. So today we have learned all these things about shelters, why they are important, and which are the different shelters. All right. And for the homework, you stick pictures of different shelters of birds and animals in your scrapbook. Okay? Yes. So this is the lesson for today. Any questions on this?
No.
Yes.
No,
So I
ma'am, it
hope-
was
yeah.
awesome.
How was the lesson?
Very nice, ma'am.
Very nice.
Pure and
Simple and
understandable.
Simple
It was
and
understandable, ma'am.
to the point and very interesting because of the videos